Sandy Joys.
Hi guys, welcome to my Sandy Joys channel. Today, I will show you how to draw a carrot very easily. And after that, we will color this cute picture with sand. Please try to draw with me. Orange. Green. This is dark green.
And on his farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. With a
Remember kids, eating carrots helps keep you strong and healthy.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on
This is brown.
he had some sheep.